used to have a lot of shops in Dublin city centre, and over the years, unfortunately, retail contracted a lot, and our business declined. We had to close them all up pretty much.
Why do you think that happened?
Well, a variety of reasons. Number one, there was an oversupply of retail capacity all over Ireland, which manifested itself, and the crash came was a huge oversupply of retail capacity. And then later on after that, the internet began to emerge as a serious competition to bricks and mortar.
And how do you, the Dublin city centre seems to be struggling at the moment. Why is that?
Right. Well, that's for that single reason, no overcapacity, the internet. But more recently, people are now working from home and shopping from home with the internet. Car parking rates are very high, and the council have made it very difficult for cars to get in and out. You know, you can't access it very easy. You're restricted to certain contorted routes to get in and out of it. So it's not car friendly.
So do you think that might encourage people to shop outside the
Yeah.
city centre?
Yeah, very likely. Although the whole shopping thing is reduced everywhere, not just in Dublin City, because of the online.